is Santa. I'm going to teach you about the colors of the rainbow. So yesterday we did it with the garden hose. Now I'll teach you other ways. So this is how a prism looks. So what the prism does is the prism the sun has white light. So what the white light does from the sun is it makes the rainbow come. So here's some cool facts about rainbows. So the moon can make a rainbow. How could that be? That is so clever. So the moon can make a rainbow. Like what it does is it makes a white thing like a rainbow. A white thing that's all white, but it looks like a rainbow. Like that day when we put the garden hose, and we made that rainbow, and if it was like that and it didn't even form a rainbow, then that was exactly how the moon will form the rainbow. But think of it's all white without no gas. So Newton was the first one to discover a rainbow. So Newton could only see 5 colors. So see my picture on the TV screen. So the red slowly fades into yellow. So you can see a bit of orange here, but it's reddish orange. So do you see 5 colors or more than 5? You see 5 colors. So Newton knew this that too. So he made it 7 because people thought that time that 7 was a lucky number. And animals can see ultraviolet and infrared. So one animal cannot see both the colors. So some animals see infrared and some animals see ultraviolet.